Welcome guys, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can get this amazing Galaxy animated wallpaper on your smartphone. So at the first I'm going to delete this application that I'm using, and I'm going to show you all the process step by step. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, and you have to get the application Shadow Galaxy from the maxellus.net. And when you find this application in the Play Store, just click install. Let's open application, and right now click to open, and just click to set as a wallpaper. And here we can apply it on the home screen and also on the lock screen. So let's select the second option and just go back to the main screen, and as you can see, our wallpaper is activated and it's going to be on our screen all the time when it's unlocked. And also we can try to check it how it looks on the lock screen, if it is working. Okay, on the lock screen is okay, it's also working, so it's really cool. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.